Welcome to another Breathe with Kelaila guided breathwork session. Today we will be focusing on the moment to moment, accepting ourselves as we are rather than wishing anything away. It'll be 3 rounds of breathing in 2 different styles. The first is circular kundalini, moving your body in a circular motion with each inhale and exhale like this. The second breathing style is breath of fire, rapid sharp inhales done by pulling your belly button towards your spine, forcing air out of your nose, then relaxing for a passive inhale. It'll look and sound something like this. Each round will be followed by breath retentions, where we will hold our breath empty to reach a deep meditative state. If you're ready for this journey, settle into an upright position, set your intentions, and take a few normal breaths. We'll begin with circular kundalini in 3, 2, 1. Each breath is a commitment to embracing all that you are. The parts you love and the parts you struggle with are all deserving of love and acceptance. Take a deep breath in 3, 2, 1, all the way up, bringing this energy to the top of your head. Exhale. As you sit here, learn to be at peace with yourself. Unfold into the person you are meant to be, whole, deserving, and entirely enough. Take a deep breath in 3, 2, 1. Holding here on the inhale. Let it go. You are doing beautifully. Get ready for round 2 in 3, 2, 1. Let each breath bring you here, into your body, into who you have always been. Breath of fire. Take a deep breath in 3, 2, 1. Deeply in, holding it here, feeling all the joy and energy you have created. And exhale. Remember, there is only one you in the whole universe, and that is your biggest strength. Your spirit and resilience and experiences make you, you. Fully in 3, 2, 1. And hold. Exhale. Follow the journey. We're on to the final round in 3, 2, 1. Let any fears or doubts fall away with each exhale. Inhale and feel a little more free, a little more at peace with yourself. Breath of fire. Take a deep breath in 3, 2, 1. All the way up, 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 up. Feeling all this goodness. And exhale. You are free to be fully and unapologetically yourself. You are worth every bit of love, compassion, and acceptance. Fifteen more seconds. Deeply in 3, 2, 1. And hold. Let it go. Relax back into your normal breath. Stay here for a moment, reflecting, maybe stretching a little, smiling, and giving yourself a hug. Remember, this journey isn't about becoming a new or perfect person. It's about coming home and loving who you have always been. I hope this breathwork can be an encouraging tool whenever you feel lost. Thank you for showing up to do the work today. And as always, thank you for breathing with me.